just share a few thoughts. And I think the sweetest part that I find about my introduction is that that I am a parent here at Indus who's inside the class. I believe that the greatest credibility to this project that which is underway comes from these two more than anything. One of the jobs that I believe we have is actually very simple, which is how do we make the right things aspirational for our children? Something or the other is going to be aspirational for them. Our job is to make the right things aspirational. And what do I mean by that? Very simple things. Are we inducting our children into, let's say, touching the feet of elders every day in the morning, or grandparents if they are at home, or something like that? And these things are not taught. These things we need to do, and then they will do. That comes to me as one point. The second is a little bit of a reiteration of Ananda, Jigyasa and Sadhana. I'm sure all of us are aware of it. The focus is on Ananda, the joy of learning when the child is 4, 5, 6, 7. And then it transitions to Jigyasa, what Vinod was speaking about in the context of quizzing, the spirit of inquiry, the curiosity. That's the second stage. And it very slowly but surely transitions into sadhana at stage 3. At the same time, it's important for us to also recognize that these are not 3 watertight compartments. In the stage of Ananda, there is a Jigyasa. In the stage of Jigyasa, there is a sadhana. At sadhana, Ananda cannot be forsaken. So when a child is like at the age of Avi, who came here, or Aditya, the mastery over tables, which is age appropriate, the mastery over language, which is age appropriate, over grammar, all of that is the sadhana that we must bring into that jigyasa. I hope I'm making sense. Many a time I've had this gentle conversation or two with parents where I hear that are we becoming conventional? Are we putting pressure? How much pressure should I put? So I think, it's to me, or to all of us, it should be like 3 concentric circles. The umbra could be Ananda, the umbra would be Jigyasa in Jigyasa, the umbra would be Sadhana in Sadhana, but the Ananda and the Sadhana would remain in Jigyasa, and the other way around. I think that's a very important conceptual clarity that all of us must have, and that will help us focus on the joy of it in sadhana, which means I have a lovely skating champs or two here. If they want to pursue sadhana in that direction, I would do that. If I want a Dhanush to go for a cricket tournament or Reva for skating, as a school we will strive to make that room for the child to go and pursue that, because she's doing a sadhana there, and that gives greatest ananda to her. So we should always be on the same page when we talk about Ananda, Jigyasa, Sadhana. I hope this conversation helps in that. Number 3, look at this gentleman. He's a parent. Can we give him a round of applause? So I keep saying that this is not my school. This is our school. This is your school. I would really love to have Shikha, Aditya, Ankur, Siva, Manoj. I might miss a lot of names, but there are so many parents who just walk in, it's their school, they pick it up. When I looked at the amount of homework Aditya has done for his role today, I said कि यार मेरे से ज़्यादा मेहनत तो तुमने की है. उसने कहा मैंने आपका एक वो पोइट्री भी चुरा लिया. मैंने कहा मैं सवेरे से ढूंढ रहा हूँ, मुझे नहीं मिल रहा है. So, please come, please contribute. Please contribute. This is your school. I would hate to die without our school being called the finest school in the world. Forget about Gurgaon. And it is a question of, I think all that we need to make a school phenomenal is you and I. We don't need anything. We don't need building. We don't need swimming pool. We don't need buses. We don't need anything. And we must not fail in that. Yeah. Point number 4, they're all busy, they're doing the jobs while I'm talking, are mentors. They're wonderful, they do so much of hard work, and you know, when we look at the women mentors especially, the challenges that they cope with is exceptional. You know, there is a family, there are children, there are mother-in-law, father-in-law, parents, husband traveling, and whole lot of stuff. I think it is something that all of us must acknowledge and to understand, to actually savor the joy of being a mentor. That's what I think they come to Indus for, or in any school for that matter. Please be selfish and come and grab a little bit of a joy of being a mentor by giving us a few hours every year. I'm a little bit of a bad guy. I've told to many of you in our smaller workshops, अगले साल तो मैं गिनूंगा 15 घंटे मुझे नहीं दिया उसको तो पनिशमेंट मिलेगी पेरेंट को या ग्रैंड पेरेंट को, ठीक है. The last one, which is to our roles as mother, father or mentor. मुझे लगता है कि पेरेंटिंग बहुत ही आसान है अगर हम अपने आप पर काम करने को राजी हो. मुझे बच्चे पर काम नहीं करना है, मुझे अपने आप पे काम करना है, मुझे खुद इम्प्रूव करना है, मुझे एक नया चैलेंज पिकअप करना है. आई वॉन्ट टू मास्टर समथिंग विच आई हैव नॉट डन बिफोर. Then I will understand the enhanced empathy that I need to have when I have expectations of my child. उसको डांट लगा दिया, तेरे को इतना टाइम लग रहा है टेबल सीखने में. अरे भाई जिंदगी में पहली बार कर रहा है, हमने आपको देखा था ना जब रैपलिंग ऊपर से कराया था. मतलब लग रहा था कि दुनिया का सीजी बदल गया है, पता लग रहा था कि वैसे भूचाल आ गया है. क्या रस्सी बंधा हुआ है, हार्नेस बंधी हुई है, नीचे 2 अंकल है, ऊपर 3 भैया लोग हैं. तो that is just to move ourselves away from a comfort zone. Pick something new. Please let your child see. And many a time I am little amazed about how Nandu speaks about me to her friend. मेरे को लगता है अच्छा ये अच्छी बात है. उसने कहा था मेरे पिताजी बहुत मेहनती हैं. मैंने कहा ये अच्छा है यार. I think इसका बहुत वैल्यू है. इसका बहुत वैल्यू है. बच्चा फेल होता है, ये मैंने रिसेंट एक अपने ब्लॉग में भी लिखा था. बच्चा फेल होता है तो उसके पीछे 3 जनों का फेलियर का एविडेंस मिलेगा. मदर का फेलियर का एविडेंस जरूर मिलेगा, पिताजी का उससे ज्यादा मिलेगा, और मेंटर का तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. तो हमको बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करना चाहिए. वी शुड जस्ट फोकस ऑन, इफ आई एम फोकस्ड ऑन वर्किंग ऑन माई सेल्फ, I think that's good enough for my child. And all of us are here for only one purpose. Even though Kejriwal is being covered with so many channels, we are not. But yet you are here because all of us know that our center of the universe is right here, and that's what brings us here. Thank you very much.